Hi, my name is Becky Warner. I'm going to be showing you how to use the new 360-degree feature on the Phantom 4 Pro that's just been released. It's really simple to use, and I'm just going to make a very quick video to show you how to do it. So to actually find the panorama and the 360 degrees, you have to go to the photo settings and tap on the photo box, and then you get the option for a Pano. Tap that one and it gives you several different options. You can have the sphere, you can have a 180 degree, or you can have a vertical or a horizontal panorama. So we're going to go for the sphere. You then just tap the button and off it goes. Okay, I've locked the exposure now so that the photos on this 360 all should have the same light level, so it'll make a much more even picture. Because it's such a grey, overcast day, we haven't got any bright sunshine to cope with. So if it was a really sunny day, you'd have to reduce your EV level so that you can get a satisfactory level of exposure all the way around. You really have to keep the camera still, and it's quite breezy today, which is why it's struggling a bit, I think. It's such a miserable day. This really isn't a very good day to show you how to do this. Now we're back indoors, I'm going to show you how we can stitch the 360-degree panorama together, and then how we can get it onto Facebook. It really is a very simple process. We can do it in absolutely no time at all. So you just go into the DJI 4 app and then you press the play button. Okay, so here we have our panoramas that we filmed in the photos. And here we go, it's stitching the panoramas together. It does that automatically. Okay, so from your DJI Go 4 app, once we've stitched the photo together, you can then go into Editor and find your photo. That's your photo that the editor has made for you. So from here, you can save it, and you can also share it. But it will just come out as that flat image. To sort out our photos in a better way for Facebook to deal with, we need to download these two apps from the App Store. There's the Theta S and the Theta Plus. So the Theta Plus will then help you to edit your image. Here's one from the other day that I took when the sun was actually shining. So you have this 360-degree image. And then you have all sorts of different facilities that you can do to edit it. You can turn it into a tiny planet, you can make it into a mirror ball, make it into a dual screen. That's how it would look as a completely flat image. You can adjust the exposure, the contrast, the colour temperatures and the shadows in the edit image. You can put different colour filters on it if you'd like. And when you're happy with your photo, you just click the next button. You want it as a 360-degree image, and then you can share it. So now it's taking you to the Theta S app, which you also need to have had uploaded, and you can share it on Facebook. So here we go, this is one we've just added. And as you can see, you can look all the way around. It's a brilliant 360-degree. But there's more. Let me show you what else you can do. In the Theta Plus, you can also do an animation. So you can take your photo and you can turn it into an animation. And there's several different types. There's all sorts of wonderful animations that it can make. Okay, and the same way you can save your current animation that you've just made, and then just share it to Facebook in no time at all. One of the issues to be aware of on the 360 degrees is the exposure levels, because you have to have the exposure correct for all the way around, and then when you get to the sun, it overexposes and you get complete whiteout, which really isn't very perfect. You can either lock the exposure on the sun, but then that will underexpose everything else, and it's very hard to bring it back on this program. See, this one I exposed for the sun and everything else is far too dark. So there you have it. I'm really not very good at doing these vlogs and I won't do them very often, but if you would like to subscribe, I'd be really chuffed because I only have about 50 subscribers and it would make my day if I had one more. So please subscribe, and occasionally if there's anything interesting that I can share with you, I will. Thank you.